knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times, she down in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. The girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles, she makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk of tomorrow, I'll tell her things I wanna do. Tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? When is it easy telling someone we're through? Ah, girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Well, hi there pluckers. I saw things again with you with hopefully another interesting oldie for you. This is a classic song from Lobo called How Can I Tell Her? Okay, standard tuning, no capos, and we're doing it in the same key as the original recording. Okay, so without more to do, let me hopefully show you how to play this nice and fairly simple song. Right then, let's start with the intro, and it's in the key of D, this song, so we're starting off with a D chord, okay, straightforward D chord, and for the intro we need to put our pinky up to the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, okay, and it's very simple arpeggiated sort of intro. It's like okay, so it's 4, 3, 2, 3, and you do that 4 times, okay? Okay, and then we play a D strum, take your pinky off, play a straightforward D chord strum, then play a D sus2 by taking your 2nd finger off the top E string, so you've got top E string open, a strum, and then back into the D chord, project 2nd finger back, okay, so it's off into the song. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay. First verse. She knows when I'm so it's D to A, okay? She knows when I'm A lonesome. G. She cries when I'm D sad. G. She's up in the D good times. E minor. She's down. Okay, that's the first two lines. So we'll just do that again, include the intro. Let's start from the intro. Here we go. She knows when I ain't lonesome. G. She cries when I'm D sad. G. She's up D in the good times. E minor. She's down A in the bad. Back to G. Whenever I'm F sharp minor, discouraged. Right, F sharp minor. A bar with your first finger across the top three strings, second fret. And a simple one is just to put your third finger on the fourth fret of the D string, the fourth string, 4 downwards. Okay, or slightly fuller sound, the way I play it is like that. So I add an extra finger. So my third finger goes up to the fourth fret of the fifth string, the A string, and my pinky plays the fourth fret of the D string, the fourth string, 5 down to 1. If you want to pull a full bar chord, you can, bar the first finger on the second fret right across the strings. You can do the full bar chord if you want, but that's quite nice just to do the 4-fingered or 3-fingered variety. Like that, 5 downwards is fine. Or if you can't manage that, the simple version, just the 4th fret downwards. Okay, so that's that line where it goes G. Whenever I'm F sharp minor, discouraged. G. She knows just D what to do. Okay, so that line again is G. Whenever I'm F sharp minor, discouraged. G. She knows just what D to do. The final line is but E minor, girl. A. She doesn't know about D. That D sus2 again, remove the second finger, back to D, open again, D sus2, D, and off into the second verse. Okay, so we'll do the whole thing from the start. Okay, so now you've got the verse under, all the verses play the same way with different words. Okay, the only thing we've got left to work out is the chorus. Okay, and you've got the whole song. So here we go. So right from the intro, the first verse. Okay, so we'll go into the second verse afterwards. Okay, so. She knows when I'm lonesome. G. She cries D when I'm sad. G. She's up D in the good times. E minor. She's low in the A. G. Whenever I'm F sharp minor, discouraged. G. She knows just D what to do. E minor, A, she doesn't know D, D sus2, D, D sus2, D. Back to the second verse, and I can tell my troubles, she makes them all seem right, make up excuses not to hold her night. We can talk of tomorrow. I'll tell her things that I wanna do. But girl, hey, let's tell her about tea. Right. Now into an A chord for the build up to the chorus. Okay, so it goes girl, A, I can tell her D about you. A. Now we're doing to the chorus, okay? So all the verses play exactly the same. Okay, got no problem with that, have you? Okay. G, how, this is a bit quicker changing on this one, so that G, how can I tell her D about you? Again, G till, please A, tell her me what to D do. Okay, so first two lines of the chorus, G, A, D, G, A, D, okay. How can I tell her about you? Again, girl, please tell me what to D. G, everything seems A right, but whether I'm with you. Now, this is there's an option here, so it goes everything seems G to A, everything seems right when D, ever I'm with you. Now there's a quick note in there, so C sharp, D, pinky goes up to that fifth string, the A string on the 4th fret. So it goes, everything seems right whenever I'm with you. I'm not actually playing a chord there, I'm just playing that note. 4th fret of the 5th string. So whenever I'm with B minor. I'm playing a B minor bar chord, 2nd fret bar, 1st finger, minor, B minor shape. I like that minor shape, all 6 strings, or 5 downwards, 6 downwards, whichever you want to do. Okay, or you can play a simple B minor like that, 4 downward. Okay, now that dropping note, so that run down note, that note with pinky is an option. You don't have to do that. You could miss that out if you can't manage it. So it goes, everything seems right whenever I'm with you. You don't have to put that in, but it is on the record. Okay, ever I'm with you. Ooh, A. Okay, so there's a bit ooh-ahs on that, and it goes to an A. Okay, so far the chorus from the beginning. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. As far as we got, G, so girl, won't you A, tell me, G to A again, how to A, tell her D about you. Right, got that. So that last 2 lines is, everything seems right whenever I'm with B minor to an A, G to A. So girl, won't you tell me, G to A again, how to A, tell her D about you. To F sharp minor, ooh, E minor, ooh, A. Next verse. How can I tell her I don't miss her? Same as usual. Whenever I'm away, how can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone we're through? Oh girl, help me tell her about you. Hey, it was the chorus again. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. again on the outro. D, sharp minor, E minor, A, and D. And there you are, the girls, boys and girls. The whole song, very simple really, just a nice medium pace, not too quick, not too slow, and a pleasant little ditty. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and don't forget to check out my lesson list in the with the link in the description box under the video if you want to find out whether I do any particular song that you want to learn, or just want to see what's on my my channel. You can search your way to your heart's content. And don't forget, if you're using a mobile device, you need to download Google Sheets app to use the search feature on my lesson list. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.